Hi guys!
Hey!
Today we're going to be doing a really fun video which was based on like a really big mistake I made recently. I had gone out of town and I always keep my makeup brushes in this like makeup bin and I totally forgot to pack them. So I had to improvise and try to do my makeup without any brushes, and I told Nora about it and she was like horrified.
I don't know what I would do.
Today we're going to do like a fun challenge and do our entire face of makeup with no brushes at all.
And you know what's so funny?
So if it does happen to you, you'll kind of be like, hey, I saw that video, I kind of know what to do.
And you know what's so funny? I picked the giveaway for this video without realizing that we're doing this video, and I picked a brush set.
Right?
How cool is that?
So if you do lose your brushes,
we got you.
Let's do it. First things first, if you're going to be applying your entire face with your hands, make sure you have clean hands. You don't want to get bacteria on your face. Okay. I guess I'll start with priming my eyes. I don't know. I mean, I feel like...
We don't use a brush for that anyways.
I know. I feel like I'm like... I lost. Like, I don't know what to do when I don't have brushes.
Yeah.
Luckily, for my eyes, I usually love to use the NYX Lid Lingerie. That's something that Nora and I are both like super obsessed with. And I'm gonna go with like a lighter color so I don't have to do like a lot of blending. And I'm gonna use Rose Pearl in the Lid Lingerie. And I'm gonna apply it again with my fingertips. So I'm going for like a lighter look.
Come on, challenge yourself.
Fine. Okay, I'm gonna use my my Galactic Beauty Metallic Shadow Stick in Sateen. And I'll use just like a little bit more shimmer. And I'll use this like under my eyes too. These sticks definitely help the situation.
You totally planned this out in advance and brought everything that doesn't need a brush.
I brought my makeup bag!
So you win the challenge.
I guess I'll move on to foundation. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Foundation in the color Sand. That's one thing I do like is applying my foundation with my fingertips, but I feel like it only works for certain foundations. Let's see if it works for this one.
That's actually something I've been doing recently.
I feel like it blends really well.
Took a page out of Ani's book.
Yeah. This color's a little too dark.
You just got a tan.
I just got a tan. This is like my summer foundation. I'm gonna mix it with a different one to even out my skin tone. The one thing I feel like is the hardest part is doing your concealer and then baking. Which is Nora's favorite thing, so I'm curious how she's gonna handle that.
I'm gonna die.
I am gonna move on to concealer. And I don't know how I'm gonna do a bronzer because I use powdered bronzers. Whenever you apply concealer, and if you're gonna use your fingers, try to use your ring finger because it applies less pressure to your under eyes. Okay. How am I gonna bake? I have no idea. I'm just gonna shove my finger in there.
Just throw it on your face.
Alright, baking's gonna be at a minimum today. So if you have a liquid bronzer, this challenge won't be too difficult for you, but I don't have that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna move on to, I guess, my lower eyes until I figure this out. For my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Caviar Stick by Laura Mercier in Burnished Bronze. Do you have this color?
Yep.
I guess for my bronzer, I'm using my fingers. It's all about blending, Nora. It's all about blending.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna... do that and put some mascara on underneath my eye. Okay, time for some blush. Like finding places that really need to be blended in. Okay. And for lips. For my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use You know what? I feel like because my makeup is probably not that amazing, I should go with like maybe a bolder lip to like camouflage it all.
That's smart.
Galactic Luxe, my favorite color. Okay, I'm done. How do I look?
Damn, that bold lip was a good idea. Actually, it looks really good. I'm surprised like the bronzer and the blush thing came out.
Me too. I was scared about the bronzer thing. But I feel like
it looks
it's
no
all about
different.
blending it.
It looks no different than your.
My eyes are a little bit lighter. Like obviously you can't do like a crease or anything like that. It becomes like really hard.
Yeah.
But I feel like if like you're in a jam, you can make it work.
Yeah, you can. Not bad, Ani. Not bad. I want to start this challenge by reminding everyone that I pick the giveaway winners.
You can't do that. That's not fair. Everyone's gonna pick you. No, that's not fair.
But all jokes aside, I think Ani's gonna win this one. You're used to, because Ani, you do it like really light with you do makeup real. You've gotten used to doing your makeup real quick with Sebastian always being basically having a toddler at home. I'm still not there yet.
I can definitely do full face without brushes.
Okay, so let's start. Put the bangs aside. Okay, I'm also gonna use the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Matte Foundation because we just got it and I want to test it out and see if it's good. And actually lately I've been took a page out of Ani's book and I've been doing my foundation without a brush because I feel like it does blend better. This is a really good foundation, right?
Yeah, really good.
It's like matte and like powdery at the same time. Next up is the concealer. Let's see. I always use a beauty blender for the concealer, so I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do here. I feel like when you don't use a beauty blender for the concealer, it like creases immediately for me. Ah, guys, not bad, not bad. Okay, now it's the hard part. Let's try this. Oh yeah, Ani, this is definitely the harder part for me.
That was the hardest
Wait, how
part
did
for
you
me
wipe it off?
With my fingers again.
Oh, so I shouldn't put too much.
No.
I feel like the foundation is like so powdery that you don't even need to put too much translucent powder, right?
Yeah, I actually felt the same way. It's really good foundation.
Okay, next up, primer. I forgot to bring my NYX lid lingerie. I'm not gonna ask Ani for it. I want to see if I could do it with actual powder. Okay, I'm gonna use Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas. It's been my latest obsession, the peachy colors. Let's see. Let's start here. I'm gonna go for a charcoal look.
Oh, damn, you are a rebel.
I'm rebelling it up here. I feel like it's not a challenge if we don't challenge ourselves, Ani.
True story, that's what Nora sounds like.
Oh! You just moved that shade on me right now.
Pushing that cloud over you.
And then she says I throw shade at her all day. Who just threw that shade?
I learned it from you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get on the top row. I mean, top lid. Not bad though, right?
No, it looks really good.
Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Next is my obsession, you guys. I don't know. I think I did an Insta story on it. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold. Remember I went on the hunt for this one and they basically discontinued it everywhere except her online site. So it's exclusive to charlottetilbury.com. And you could use it like as anything. A highlighter. I use it as an base eyeshadow.
Everyone loves that.
I use it like here. It got me. It was a total Facebook sponsored ad for like months. I'm like, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna buy it. So I like to
If you're selling anything, you should target Nora on Facebook.
Oh, I'm total sucker, guys. I'm your target consumer if you're selling anything. If you show me enough times, I'll buy it. Right?
It's so true.
Okay. Next up is my under eyes. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier, the same thing, the caviar stick, the same thing Ani used, but I'm gonna use a black. Lately, I'm back to my black under eyes. I don't know why.
You're just taking pages out of Ani's book.
I'm so weird. I haven't put black under my eyes in like years. And I just started again. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back to the palette. I feel like this is where a brush would kick in.
You know what? I feel like it actually looks fairly decent blending it in. I feel like I have to use a brush like back and forth to blend in like enough for it to like be thick enough. And I was able to do it like pretty quickly with just my fingers.
Is it too aggressive underneath?
Wow. No, it looks nice.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like it's too aggressive underneath.
I think once you put mascara on, you'll feel differently.
Okay. Thanks, Ani. Thanks for the support.
Yeah, I don't throw shade at you.
You're the one who just threw shade at me.
Trying to tell people that you're gonna give them the giveaway if they pick you.
Well, it's the truth.
It's not, guys. Don't pick her just for that. We use a program that picks winners.
I know. I don't even really pick the winner. I just send it, and Ani writes the note for it. So the good handwriting is definitely not mine. It's Ani's. Okay. Mascara. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of liking my makeup.
Yeah, it looks really good. I'm like pleasantly surprised by how
I was able to achieve a charcoal kind of smoky look.
When you said charcoal, I was like, oh, she's just giving it to me. She's gonna let me win this one.
Not having a curler though is like really hard. Look at this.
And we're so used to having lashes.
Lashes, yeah. Ani and I love lash extensions, so. Okay. And lately my eyebrows have been filled, like fuller, so I actually don't fill it in too much. I've been using the Anastasia's brow gel, tinted brow gel, and I feel like it does the trick. Okay, I feel like this part was the difficult part, huh? The bronzer.
Oh, the bronzer was.
Okay, I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brown bronzer. If we had liquid bronzer, it would like save us right now.
For sure.
Good thing I have bangs, it covers half my face, so I'm technically cheating a little.
It's basically what I did with my dark lips, just kind of like cover what's happening.
Okay, blush. Let's do that lip liner. And another product I'm obsessed with lately, you guys, it's the NYX Powder Puff Lippy.
This is so good.
It is the best product in the world, I think. The best lip product out there currently on the market.
It's amazing the way it feels on your lips. We recently discovered it and we've been like basically obsessed with it.
And it was only $8. I'm using Puppy Love.
It's a pretty color. I didn't get that color.
Really pretty, right? I feel like it matches the Sassy Sienna's palette really well. Alright, you guys, that was actually not as difficult as I thought it was gonna be.
It's really not as hard. Like, at first it's scary because you're like, what am I gonna do with my bronzer or with my powders?
We become so dependent on like a million brushes for each little thing. You're like, oh, I need to fill this area.
So it's not the end of the world if you don't, or just minimize how many brushes you need.
Yeah, like I've been getting more and more annoyed by my brush thing because I feel like I use only like 3 of them anyways. Anyway, so speaking of brushes, if you want to win our giveaway, you guys, leave us some suggestions for upcoming challenges. I feel like we have a lot of fun doing challenges and you guys have a lot of fun watching them because you get to hear Ani and me banter.
Yes, so if you want to qualify for the giveaway, you have to leave us a suggestion for a challenge.
Yeah, and be subscribed to our channel to win. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Love you guys.